Guys, I just booked 4 return flights for me and my family from London to LA for just over £1,000. This exact flight would have cost me over £4,000 today. How did I do this? Well, it's simple. I just loaded up my Virgin Atlantic Rewards Plus card to grab a bargain. Like many credit cards out there, there are some which reward you on your spends. So I have used this to my advantage to rack up as many points as I can. I use these points to offset against flights, but you can also use them for experiences and other items through Virgin Red. The secret isn't just big purchases. I put everything on this card. Hotels and travel, family meals, home improvements, even the weekly shop. All that consistent spending has built up a massive 192,000 points over a 2-year period. I then combine those points with two 2-for-1 companion vouchers. So instead of paying £4,086, I paid just £1,034, which is essentially just the airport tax. You cannot avoid this tax. That is a combined total saving of over 3,000 quid. Fancy giving it a go? Check out the link in the bio for a refer a friend code. It is also worth bearing in mind that this is a credit card, and if you don't pay the full balance, then interest/charges will apply. Be smart with your credit card spends to avoid any extra charges. Check out my channel for a closer in-depth view of this and all my other money saving tips.